Healing crystals are beautiful stones with natural energy. For centuries, different cultures have used them for healing and spiritual practices. Ancient Egyptians used crystals like lapis lazuli and turquoise in jewelry and amulets. They believed these crystals had protective and healing powers. In other parts of the world, cultures have their own traditions. Chinese cultures value jade for its healing properties. They use it in traditional medicine practices. Native American cultures use crystals like amethyst and quartz in ceremonies. They believe these crystals can connect them to spiritual realms. Today, healing crystals are popular worldwide. People use them for various purposes. Some people use them for physical healing. Others use them for emotional balance or spiritual growth. Healing crystals work subtly. They interact with the body's energy field. This energy field is also known as the aura. Each crystal has a unique energy vibration. This vibration can influence our energy. Think of it like tuning a musical instrument. When our energy is out of balance, it is like an instrument out of tune. Crystals act like tuning forks. They help to realign and harmonize our energy. Crystals can also amplify our intentions. When we set a specific intention with a crystal, its energy can help to manifest our desires. For example, if you are seeking love, you might use rose quartz. Its loving energy can support your intention. Many beautiful healing crystals are available. Each has unique properties and benefits. Let's explore a few popular ones. Amethyst is a purple crystal known for its calming energy. It can help reduce stress, promote peaceful sleep, and enhance intuition. Keep a piece of amethyst by your bedside. It can create a calming atmosphere and support restful sleep. Rose quartz is a pink crystal associated with love and compassion. It can help heal emotional wounds, attract love, and promote self-love. Carry a rose quartz heart with you. It can remind you to be kind to yourself and others. Citrine is a yellow crystal associated with abundance and prosperity. It can boost creativity, enhance self-confidence, and attract success. Keep a citrine crystal in your workspace to promote positive energy and attract abundance. Section 4. Choosing and caring for your crystals. Choosing the right crystal is a personal experience. Let your intuition guide you. You might be drawn to a particular color, shape, or type of crystal. Trust your instincts when making a choice. Once you have your crystals, it's important to cleanse and charge them regularly. Cleansing removes any negative energy they may have absorbed. Charging helps to restore and amplify their natural vibrations. You can cleanse your crystals in various ways. Place them under running water, smudge them with sage or incense, or leave them in the moonlight overnight. To charge your crystals, leave them in sunlight for a few hours, or bury them in the earth for grounding. Section 5. Embracing the power of healing crystals. Healing crystals are powerful tools for personal growth and well-being. Whether you are new to crystals or have been using them for years, embrace their energy. Explore different crystals and discover which ones resonate with you. Remember that using healing crystals is a personal journey. There is no right or wrong way to experience their benefits. Trust your intuition. Be open to the possibilities and allow these beautiful stones to support your journey of healing and transformation.